Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off blue ticks on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open WhatsApp. If you're using Android, iOS, or even laptop, you gotta follow similar steps. So you gotta open WhatsApp and click on profile icon at the bottom right. If you're using laptop, you'll be able to see the profile icon at the bottom left. So once you do click on profile, you'll be redirected to settings. You gotta select the option of privacy. And then here, you gotta scroll down and you should see the option of read receipts. So if you turn off read receipts, you won't be able to see read receipts for other people. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. So this option is basically the reason why you see those blue ticks, and you gotta simply turn it off. So once you turn it off, you wouldn't be able to see those blue ticks anymore. But remember that the person you're chatting with will also not be able to see your blue ticks. So that's basically how you can turn off blue ticks on WhatsApp. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.